Hello again. Now we will run finite element analysis to make sure that we chose the right sections. Before doing so, we need to define a material. So go to Material, right-click, then Edit Material. Usually this type of a structure will be made of ASTM A36 steel. Hit Apply, then Close. Now you can measure the mass of this structure. I will select meter kilogram second and then go to Evaluate and then Mass Properties. And here the mass of this structure is 1088.68 kilograms. To access the Finite Element Analysis tab, we need to right-click any of these tabs, then select SolidWorks Add-ins, and then you will find SolidWorks Simulation. Now you will see that we have Simulation tab. Access this tab, then select New Study, and here we have the types of simulations that SolidWorks can perform. In our case, we are only interested in static. Select Static, give it a name, and then hit OK.